Yo!
Hey y'all, how you doing?
We bite like we never left. What's going on, Swag Fam? Before y'all do anything, we need y'all to thumbs up this video. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that post notification bell so you will know every time we upload the greatest hit over here. Share us out. Tell your mama, your kinfolk, your brother, and them, everybody around now what we doing over here. You feel me? Alright.
So babe, what are we doing today?
We got a situation over here.
So we've got some meals from Firelime Offshore Grill.
What's that man's name?
David.
David. What's up, David?
He is the owner and their food is fabulous. We've had a review before on the Firelime shrimp bowl, Ebony's favorite. We haven't done the SoFlo chicken bowl.
What's in it?
So that's what we're doing. It's got a pico black beans, a creamy curry sauce, which is almost about ready to pour out of the bowl. Let me put it up this way. And some chicken. Rice. Yep. And it's got the creamy curry sauce, so it's not a really smack you in the face strong curry because we wasn't too sure about it.
Bomb! Look what I made. Ooh.
You heard what she said, right?
When I say
how did you?
her.
That's some garlic naan bread.
On sale, you know the little aisle at Kroger's? Yeah. We ain't the same. We rock with it. We roll with it. You feel me? And you know, I gotta have my best friend. Everywhere I go.
I just added some garlic and butter to her naan bread. That you buy at the store.
I'm just playing you there. What's my favorite bowl? I like shrimp. But if y'all been with me, y'all know that.
And there's some healthy size bowls.
They healthy. They meal prep. They do catering. They do lots of things over there. So if you in the area, follow their food truck.
Yeah, they set up different places. I've not once been disappointed with what I've gotten from them.
Nope. I want to try wrap. That's my next venture. We did a wrap thing.
I've had it.
If
I've had it, you've had it.
It's been so long.
We just didn't have
I got a
channel.
refresher. Oh, we didn't have a channel, so I don't even count.
Really big portion, some. You can probably split this with 2 people. That'd be enough.
Just that meal prep bowl. I think.
I know the pineapple salsa on hers is fire. So, I got another one of those Splash Fizz things. This one's lemonade.
Notice she says she right. Because I don't want any of it. Get some of that spiracles.
So, it tastes like Sprite. I was thinking it might taste more like lemonade.
I'm a little ashy. I just got out the shower, cuz. Don't judge me. I don't want that bowl. We tried a simple. Before we got it, it was fire. So we not got it. No, you don't eat our chicken.
Oh, this is chicken over here.
For this time, you don't eat our chicken, you gotta eat our stomach go with you.
I was in the process. I wasn't touching this side of the chicken.
How y'all doing out there? What's for dinner? Coming down below.
Talk about her and her shrimps. And pineapple salsa.
Shout out to all the family that supports us, everybody in the swag fam, new and old. What it do?
Well, pineapple sauce just adds a hint of sweet to it.
I'm definitely not a curry fan, but this right here, fire
Excuse me. Some bubbles. None of us in the house is really a curry fan, but their creamy curry is actually really good. The creamy helps dull down the curry, I guess.
Mmm.
Let's see, Ebony's not an asparagus fan, but she'll eat it in this.
I'm full. It's that bread.
I was real. I was real on my garlic butter.
Mm-hmm. Got some garlic and all. Woo! If y'all went to work today, how was y'all work day? Cause my work day was trash can water. You hear me? Trash can water. And they scheduled us for 10 hours this week. I hate it here.
Making up for that Friday they didn't work. You said you were full, so does that mean you don't want that other bread?
I'm sorry, I'm getting full. But yeah, you can have your bread. You can get the one with the garlic side. Real nice people on this food truck too. Listen to you, give you a free sample if you like. I don't know if I like that. Nice people, really good people. We follow them. Ten out of 10. Must try again. Go get you some.
Yeah, with them doing the meal prep, I almost thought about doing it for evening. Meal prepping. We'll have a Miami bowl too.
We'll be back with some more stuff from that truck. This ain't sponsored. We pay for our food. You know, if you like that.
We like supporting small business. And like I said, y'all know how much I eat. I eat half a bowl and I'm good. So they're really healthy sized portions.
Man. Rice good for them. Asparagus. Pineapple. I don't think shrimp bad for you. I don't know. Who am I to judge? If it is, I'm going to keep eating my chips. And I'm going to keep eating my shrimp. You hear me?
And if y'all know anything, you know she's love her shrimp.
Okay. Say the little shrimp. A nightmare.
I might not have to cook tonight. I eat this.
This bread was fire.
It was. I thought I'd eat more than that. I knew it was a heavy bowl.
I don't have no napkin over here.
You ain't asked for one yet. I just got myself.
All right, we full.
What y'all think about this weather we having?
Is it fall yet?
Yeah.
Don't feel like it.
This weekend it did.
What weekend? Anyways, it was fun. I mean, it's been alright. It's been cold.
In the mornings, it'd
I
be
put my
like
hoodie
50,
on.
and
this
50,
morning.
60 degrees in the morning.
Of course, I like hoodie weather.
She just likes hoodies.
I'm a fall baby. Speaking of fall babies, my birthday coming up.
I guess, gonna tell you on every video. Just make sure you know.
Yeah. I wasn't excited, but my wife kept saying, "You got 3 weeks to your birthday. Got 2 weeks to your birthday."
This countdown, it's a big one for her.
Turning 25 is not a big deal.
I'm not gonna say which one it is unless she wants to, but it's one of those milestone ones. So
Celebrate my 60th birthday. I look good, don't I? I'm gonna get out of here, man. I'm gonna quit fooling. I'm gonna quit fooling with y'all. I'm done fooling with y'all. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. Hit that post notification bell so you will know every time we upload the greatest hits. Always remember what, guys? Every day that you wake up is another day for what, babe?
greatness.
So until the next video / review.
See you on the flip side.
Peace.